Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In our last video, we have discussed about how we can create a new Revit file and how we can open a Revit file in our local drive. Now, in this particular video, we'll move further and we'll see how we can read the Revit software file and albeit commands of Revit, and further we'll do some modeling stuff as well in this particular video. So let's start. Right now, you can see a model part of the architectural floor, walls, and some doors as well. First of all, let's read the properties. Let's read the project browser, how we can read it, and some more commands as well. So at the first place, in the project browser, you can see right now it's in black color. It means we are in that particular view. Okay. If I want to click on level one, I can view the some stuffs right here as well. Okay. So I'll go back on my level on which I'm working, and you guys will work parallelly. If I want to see the 3D view of this one, there are two options. Either you can select the particular area, click on the selection box icon right here, and you can come in 3D of that particular portion. Okay. The second command, go back on your level and you can click on this home icon right here at the top, and then you can see the 3D view. This home icon will represent the last 3D view that you have created. But for example, if I want to see the entire project, what you can do is that in properties right here in section box, it's checked, right? Click on that one and check it so that you'll see the entire project. So right now, if you'll see, my background is also white and my walls are also white. If you are getting distracted from that one, you can change the background color. And how you can do that thing? Click on file icon right here, options, right here in graphics, click on background color, and you can choose. Right now I'm going for black. Click on OK, OK. So my background will be black, and now I can see my walls properly. But if you are seeing that my walls are also, going for black, you can go for shaded one so that you can see the walls in a shaded color. Okay. Um, let's come on this display, graphics option right here at the bottom. You can go for wireframe, you can go for hidden lines, again you for shaded and consistent color, and realistic as well. Normally these three commands will be very useful for you: wireframe, hidden lines, and shaded. It gives you different options to read your model. Okay. Additionally, besides that, when you have three detailing level, you can see the coarse, you can see the medium, and you can see the fine as well. You can't see the difference right here because these are walls. Let me create a duct in this one and then I'll show you the difference. Okay. So I just press DT command for duct. Let me go for rectangular duct. And okay, I'm creating outside of the building so that we can see properly. This is the architectural tab. That is why it's not showing me the duct. But if you want to see the duct as well, click on visibility graphics VV command, or you can click on this added icon right here, visibility graphics. All right, okay, it's the same thing. Press D command so that you can come on the duct. Ducts are visible in this one. Cross check with the filters. No filter is applied right here. It means duct should be visible. Why it's not visible? Let's come on 3D and let me move this one a little bit. You can see the duct right here. Okay. So if I'll scroll down a little bit, my duct is right here. Okay. Now, if I select the duct, okay, do not select the duct. Let me Okay, let's select this duct. Press HI command, hide isolate. Okay, you can see right here, hide isolate. It means temporary hide isolate is showing. It means I did not delete my model, but I just want to see this duct only. So I have selected this one, pressed HI command so that I can review this one whatsoever I just wanted to review. Okay, well, show the model again. I'll show the command at the moment. So I just pressed HI command to isolate this particular element after selecting this element. Okay, now if I'll go for medium, you'll not see the difference. I'll create a pipe beside than that, and you'll see the difference between duct and pipe. Okay, but if I'll go for coarse right here, you'll see the line. Let me create a pipe right here so that you'll see the difference as well. So I'll press PI command for creating a pipe, and I just created a pipe as well. Okay, Both are in line, right? I can't see which one is duct and which one is pipe, but now it comes with a medium. So if I'll go for medium, pipe will show in a line, but duct will show in a proper duct color. Okay, and fine will both show in a different, proper geometry. That it's pipe. This is the duct. Clear? But in course, both will show in line. In medium, duct will show in a proper duct shape, but the pipe in line shape. And fine, for both of them it'll be shown proper graphics, right? So I guess you'll get the point for this one. For example, I'll click this one, press command, element hide. Okay, and I do not know that. Okay, let me press HR command as well so that we can see the full view, but I can't see that pipe right now, correct? And I did not know that's hidden or not. If it is hidden, how I can get it back on my view? Okay, so for temporary hide isolate is just HI and HR. Okay, for hide isolate, like for hide it's HI. For coming back to see that one, it means reveal element, so you can go for HR command. Okay, but for element hide, proper element hide, you can press command to hide it, and for reveal it, to press EU command, but not like that. What you can do is that I just want to see that any element is hidden or not, so I'll click on this bulb icon right here at the bottom, and now it'll show me that this particular element is hidden. Click on that one, and right here in modify, sorry, not in modify, why it's showing like that? No worries, I don't know why it's showing like that, but you can see right here, reveal, unhide element, click on unhide element, and now click on toggle reveal element mode. Okay, now my pipe is visible. Okay, I guess my screen was a little bit short. That is why it has combined those ones. Normally, please use bigger screens so that you can see all the commands. But if you are having smaller system or small screens, it'll call up some of the commands. Okay, so please make sure that one. So I guess it's clear for you guys like how we can reveal the elements, whether it is permanently hidden or temporary hidden. And we have used the project browser for toggling in between the levels. We have used temporary isolate and those kind of stuffs in this one, and we have checked the graphics as well, how we can play with the detailing of the view, those kind of stuffs. In terms of the properties, we have seen how we can play with a particular view. If I want to see, for example, I just want to see this pipe only, I'll click on that pipe, click on the selection box, I can see that pipe. And now outside of the pipe, I can see this section box, and there are some arrows. So I can move those arrows so that I can expand my view till where I just wanted to see. So let me expand this one so I can see the walls right here. I can move it up so that I can see the walls and those kind of stuff as well. So I can do those stuffs as well. But I want to see the whole building. I'll click right here and check this one. It'll show me the overall building. Okay, so I guess that's good for you guys. For in this particular video, we'll start modeling stuffs in terms of the MEP services in next video. Thanks a lot for watching this one.